Hello dear children, today we are going to learn lesson name, the recipe book. Lesson name is the recipe book. This is for vocabulary development and today we are going to do the activity 3, circle the words. Dear children, here we have a grade. I haven't written the letters here, so I am going to write now. I am just introducing the grade for you. And here we have the clue for filling these the words. Here we have some words: ladle, knife, peeler, pot, funnel, plate, tumbler and bowl. These are all the words we have to circle here. So now I am going to write the letters here. Okay. Here in the textbook we have the letters here like this, so I am going to write like this as it is already mentioned in the textbook. I am not reading the word right now because I am just filling the grade up with the appropriate, with the words, with the letters, sorry. In the textbook, they written like this, so I am just writing, copying the letters here. Those already mentioned in the textbook. So just watch because I am going to do the activity. So children, you have to follow the instruction that I have given. You have to circle the words in the grid. Okay. We have already written the words here and you have the words here. Hint words they have already mentioned here. So you have to read the word and you have to circle the word in the grid. Okay. Children, please write down. Please write down, open your textbook and write down the letters like this. Because I am copying the word, the letters here. Because they have already mentioned in the textbook. So, I am writing the letters they given here. Do you want me to read the letters? Okay, I start. T and tell me, you also tell me, okay? Yes, J. Yes, W. Very good. D. E. P. Right? And what is this letter? What is this letter, Nandini?
T.
I. Very good. I. E, again I, L, again L, R, O, and last boxes we have to fill P, L, A, T, E, L, T. Dear children, now you have to find out where is these words. What are the words? Let us read again. Ladle, knife, peeler, pot, funnel, plate, tumbler, bowl. Come on, let's find out. Where are the words? Okay, yes. K, N, I, F, E. K, N, I, F, E. 9. So, you have to circle ladle. Let us check. Where is ladle? Yes. Raju, you are right. L-A-D-L-E. We got this word. Because they have already given the clue here. So these are the hint words for us to fill the circle. So ladle. I am circling. Like this. You have to do like this, okay? Ladle. So we have finished the ladle. And next, coming to next word, pillar. Let us check where is the pillar. P-E-E-L-E-R. Yes, we have here pillar. P-E-E-L-E-R. Pillar. We got the word here. Come on, let's circle this word. Pillar. Very good. We have done another word, third word. Okay. Then coming to the next word, P-O-T, pot. Come on, children, find out where is pot. You have to do first, then I go for circling the word. Okay? Okay, then. Have you finished, Razu? Very good. Yes, you are right. P-O-T, pot. Very good. You said very well. You said very well, Raju. Yes. P-O-T, pot. Very good. Very well done, Raju. P-O-T, pot. So we have circled this pot word. And coming to the another word, funnel. Let's find out where is funnel. Where is this word? Funnel. Oh my God. It is little critical to find out where is funnel. I couldn't find out where is funnel. Yes. Ravi, you are right. Very good. F-U-N-N-E-L. Funnel. Very good. Ravi, you said very well. Congratulations. You have done very good job. Funnel. Very good. Ravi said very well. And so, I am marking it. And again, coming to the next word, plate. P-L-A-T-E. Where is plate? Radha, can you please tell me where is the word plate? Oh, very good. Yeah. In the last line, very good. P-L-A-T-E, plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. So, very good. Radha, you said very well. Congratulations. Keep it up. And we have only two words here. One is tumbler and one is bowl. T-U-M-B-L-E-R. Come on, let's find out where is tumbler. Where is the tumbler? We have to check. Can anybody tell where is it? The word tumbler? Oh, Madhavi, very good. Yes, this is in the third line. Third row, very good. T-U-M-B-L-E-R. Very good. Very good, Madhavi. You said very well. Yes, this is the word tumbler. T-U-M-B-L-E-R. Tumbler. Very good. You have done very good job. And last one, bowl. The word bowl. We have to find out where is the bowl. Come on, children, tell me please. If you tell me, I complete the grade. Okay? Okay, tell me. Indu? Oh, yes. Here it is B-O-W-L. Bowl. Very good. Indu, you have done very good job. Well done. Keep it up. Congratulations. My dear children, you have all done very good job. So, knife is here. And ladle. Where is ladle? Pillar is here. And bowl is here. And plate is here. And pot is here. And tumbler is here. And bowl is here. And funnel is here. Okay. So we have completed the activity 3 today. Very good, my children. Please write down all the words that we have completed and circle the words as we have already mentioned here for clue. So you can check the spelling and you can circle. Okay, very good. Keep it up, my children. God bless you all.